There's a lot you need to consider when purchasing and installing new floors. What material is best for your family? Will you have pets walking on the floor? Is there someone in your family who has asthma?
First, we have to look to see what type of floors they are after and what the type of lifestyles they have. Pets, kids, and how many people are in the house, what is the traffic, is it the stairs, not steps? All that consider to what would work for the house and what they like and what we can find suitables for them based on their decisions, and we can come up with the products will work design, fashions, and also wearabilities and durabilities for the type of use they have.
There's a lot of information in the marketplace today in blogs regarding carpet, whether it's the natural fibers of wool primarily, or the synthetic fibers, which encompass a wide range of materials. The bottom line is that oftentimes, especially people with allergies or asthma, think that the environment is not going to be as clean for them as if they do a hard surface. And studies have actually shown that hard surface materials actually allow indoor air allergens and things that might trigger asthma attacks to be wafted back up into the air of the environment. And that carpet is what's called a natural sink. So when something falls on the surface of the carpet, it actually is trapped there until it's vacuumed. And if you have a good vacuum with a sealed system and a HEPA filter, the air that comes out of it is cleaner than the air that goes into it. You actually have a surface that's more amenable to someone that especially has allergies.
City Carpets was opened in 1993 by myself and my husband, Hossein. He was working for another carpet store at the time, and he just felt like we could do a better job on our own. So we wanted to create a place where customers could come in and be helped by professionals in our field to be able to pick out the best products for their home. And part of this was to have the best installation process possible as well. So we're really proud of our installation crew, and we make sure that they're all certified and that they're employees, not just subcontractors. They're people that we have worked with for over 30 years. Our sales staff has been with us for over 20 years, so we're like a family at work.
There's plenty of products in the market, and where our experience comes to by visiting the house and checking out to see what needs to be installed in that house for years comes without being worried about wear and tear and stain on the carpet.
You'll be greeted at the front door by somebody who wants to help you. We try to find out what it is that we can help you with. What is the issue that you have with your existing flooring, and what would we recommend for your use? So it's really important to ask questions like, what is your lifestyle like? Do you have a busy home? Is it just you and your partner? Do you have pets? What's the traffic like? And what is it that you want to see out of your flooring? Do you want to create a cozy environment? Are you looking for something that's low maintenance? Are you looking for something that adds to the value of your home? Those kinds of things.
Sometimes they're just simply preparing for sales. Sometimes they're in to look for materials for an income property or rental. But for a home that's occupied by the owners, it really depends upon the makeup of the family and the lifestyle of the family, and also their expectations and their desires. It's important to ask the right questions so that you can help them sort out the options that are available in carpet, hardwood, laminate, luxury vinyl plank. So the most important factor is to ask the right questions and listen to the answers. Because as I've said to people for many decades, I don't want to finish the job and have you walk into your home and go, well, that's hardy carpet. I want you to walk in and say, I love it.
I usually encourage people to come into the showroom just to see what kind of things are available. See what you gravitate towards. If you gravitate towards a Berber style carpet, or if you gravitate towards walnut colored hardwood. We start there to narrow down your choices, and then you're able to take samples home and actually see how they look with your lighting and your furniture and your design scheme. We come out at no obligation to measure, but also to give you advice on what we think would fit and what would look good. So we're there to help you along the way.
It is key for products to be seen in the showroom and felt, because online they cannot get the correct texture or the colors. The colors may be represented differently on different screens. Also online there is a lot of misinformation. It is best that clients discuss their flooring needs with sales professionals like us to get the correct guidance.
The Beautiful Guarantee is an option that we have for all of our Carpet One flooring options. Basically, if you're not happy with your decision or not satisfied with your decision, then you have the choice within the first 90 days to change that out for a different style that you might feel fits your needs a little better, and it's just a little bit of a assurance for the customer when making a big decision like flooring.
Getting better products, it's a better investment into the house. If you are going to live in the house for a long time, it pays off because you're not going to change the products more often. If you're going to sell the house, the product stands up a lot better if it's the right products for the home.
Ready to replace the floors in your home? Visit their website, city-carpets.com, or watch this segment again at designingspaces.tv.